Welcome to our Cake Shop English lesson.
Today, we will work together at a beautiful pastry shop.
I am Aoi, the senior staff member.
And I am Mio, a new staff member.
We will practice useful English for serving customers.
I want to greet customers with confidence.
We will recommend cakes and explain their flavors.
We will also check allergies and take special orders.
Then we will practice packing, payment, and polite apologies.
That sounds perfect for a busy workday.
Please listen slowly and repeat the key phrases.
All right, let us open the shop.
The shop opens in 30 minutes.
I will turn on the display lights.
Please check that every cake has the correct label.
The strawberry shortcake label is missing.
Good catch. Please place this label in front of it.
Should I check the prices too?
Yes. Make sure the price cards match the register.
I will also count the cake boxes and ice packs.
Great. We need clean tongs, trays, and serving paper.
Everything is clean and ready.
How do I say, 開店準備ができました?
We are ready to open.
Our first customers are coming in.
Good morning. Welcome to Lumiere Cake Shop.
That was warm and clear.
Thank you. How may I help you today?
Ask whether they are dining in or taking out.
Will you be dining in or taking your order to go?
They would like a table for two.
Certainly. Please follow me.
Here are the menu and the seasonal cake list.
Please take your time choosing.
How do I say, ご注文が決まりましたらお呼びください?
Please let us know when you are ready to order.
The customers are asking for a recommendation.
What kind of cake do you usually like?
That question helps us understand their taste.
They prefer something light and not too sweet.
I recommend our strawberry shortcake.
It has fresh strawberries and lightly sweetened cream.
What is our most popular chocolate cake?
The dark chocolate mousse is our best seller.
It is rich, smooth, and slightly bitter.
Would you like to see our seasonal specials?
That is a natural way to offer more choices.
I will describe each cake clearly and briefly.
A customer has a question about ingredients.
Does this cake contain nuts?
Never guess when an allergy is involved.
I will check the ingredient list for you.
This cake contains almonds in the sponge.
Thank you. Is there a nut-free option?
This fruit jelly does not list nuts as an ingredient.
However, all products are prepared in the same kitchen.
That cross-contact information is important.
Please tell us about any allergies before ordering.
Can I also ask about dairy and gluten?
Of course. We will check every ingredient carefully.
We have a birthday cake order at the counter.
What date would you like to pick it up?
They would like to pick it up this Saturday.
What time would be convenient for you?
They need a cake for 6 people.
Our 15-centimeter cake serves about 4 to 6 people.
Would you like a message on the chocolate plate?
Please write, "Happy birthday, Emma."
How many candles would you like?
Please include 5 candles and 1 large candle.
Let me repeat the order to make sure it is correct.
Perfect. I will give you the order receipt.
These 3 cakes are for takeout.
I will place the taller cake in the center.
Please make sure the cakes cannot slide inside the box.
I will use separators to keep them secure.
How long will the customer be traveling?
They said it will take about 1 hour.
Then, please add 2 ice packs.
Would you like a small bag for the candles?
Yes, please. Keep the receipt separate, too.
Please keep the box level while carrying it.
The cakes should be refrigerated as soon as possible.
I understand. I will explain that at handover.
The total comes to 3,200 yen.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
The customer would like to use a credit card.
Please insert or tap your card here.
The payment has been approved.
Would you like a receipt?
Please place the receipt in the shopping bag.
Certainly. Here are your cakes and order receipt.
Remember to mention the ice packs.
The ice packs will stay cold for about 1 hour.
Thank you very much. Please enjoy your cakes.
That was a smooth and polite handover.
The last mango tart has just been sold.
A customer is asking for one now.
I am sorry, but the mango tart is sold out today.
Offer an alternative after apologizing.
Our peach tart has a similar fresh and fruity taste.
Would you like to try that instead?
Can we reserve a mango tart for tomorrow?
Yes. May I have your name and phone number?
What time would you like to collect it?
We will keep it for you until 6 p.m.
Thank you for your understanding.
I learned how to turn disappointment into another choice.
A customer says the cake box was tilted.
First, listen without interrupting.
I am very sorry about the condition of the cake.
Thank you for bringing this to our attention.
May I see the cake and your receipt?
Of course. Here they are.
I will speak with the manager right away.
We can prepare a replacement cake for you.
If that is not convenient, we can follow our refund policy.
The customer would prefer a replacement.
We will have it ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you for giving us the chance to correct the problem.
The shop is closing in 15 minutes.
I will clean the tables and front counter.
Please count the remaining cakes in the display.
We have 2 cheesecakes and 3 fruit tarts left.
Record them on the closing inventory sheet.
Should I remove and wash the display trays?
Yes, and sanitize the tongs and work surfaces.
Today was busy, but I enjoyed serving customers.
You stayed calm and used polite English.
I still need more practice with allergy questions.
We will review the key phrases after cleaning.
Great! We are ready to close.
Let us review today's cake shop English.
Please give me the Japanese sentence first.
How do you say 本日はどうされましたか?
How may I help you today?
How do you ask about a customer's preference?
What kind of cake do you usually like?
What do you say before checking ingredients?
I will check the ingredient list for you.
How do you apologize when an item is unavailable?
I am sorry, but this item is sold out today.
Excellent. These phrases are polite and practical.
I will practice them before my next shift.
Today, we worked at a busy cake shop.
We practiced greetings, recommendations, and special orders.
We also learned allergy checks and polite problem solving.
These phrases are useful in many customer service jobs.
Please repeat your favorite phrases again.
Small daily practice will build your confidence.
Thank you for studying with us today.
See you in the next slow English lesson.